I'll figure am.
Like me record. Allora, strada is everything you are seeing on the road here. Everything wey you see here, that everything wey dey inside road, they call am strada. So wetin I write, wetin I mean now, write am down now. Strada mean road in our language. Strada is equals to road. Now, inside that strada, everything dey drive inside there. Both pedone. Wetin be pedone? Pedone means pedestrian. Animals dey inside there. Everything dey inside strada. You dey follow me now? Everything dey inside strada. You dey follow me now, abi? Now watch.
Mhm.
Remember, say I dey teach you from the same app wey I tell you yesterday. Now, strada na
Mm.
everything wey dey for inside the road. Is it clear now? Now they come say strada è un'area aperta alla circolazione dei pedoni, degli animali e dei veicoli. Remember that say for English say a road is a place open destined for the movement of pedestrian, animals and vehicle. Wetin be vehicle? Vehicle na everything wey get engine, wey no get engine. Now watch. Even your bicycle too na engine. Any information wey you hear, write am down. Anything wey you think say dey important. Vehicle na everything wey get engine and without engine. Vehicle na everything wey get engine and without engine. Even bicycle too na engine. Na bicycle too na vehicle. Now watch my brother. We're about to learn something very important. The come tell us now say una strada può essere a senso unico o doppio senso di circolazione. Number two, una strada, a road can be senso unico. A road can be doppio senso. Wetin we mean by a road when a road is senso unico? My brother, follow me, oh. Follow me like bomber to bomber. What do we mean by a road na senso unico? I want to show you something. Senso unico. This thing I want to tell you now, they very, very important. So whenever you hear the word senso unico for road, we mean something like this. Not like this, I'll come. We mean something like this. Now, my brother, watch. Oh, come, let me find a better one. Mhm. Now, look at this look at this situation. Now, watch. They say a road can be senso unico doppio senso. Now, look at this picture I'm showing you here now. Now, wetin go make a road become senso unico? My brother, write am down. Wetin go make road senso unico? Now I want to teach you now. I just told you now, say a road can be senso unico or doppio senso. You dey see am now. So a road can be two type. Either they call it senso unico. Wetin be senso unico in our language? It means that all the cars are going the same direction. Write am down for your language. Senso unico simply means say all the cars they go the same direction. That means for this type of road now, every car they go the same direction. You dey follow me now? Every car, my brother, look at my video. Look at my video. Every car they go the same direction. Every car they
Okay.
go the same direction. Now, how you go take know say road na senso unico? As a student, as a driver, how do you know a road is senso unico? Now look at this video. Look at the video I'm showing you. Look at the picture. Look at what I show you. Now you go see discontinuous line in the center of the carreggiata. Right and down. How do you know a road na senso unico? As a driver, when you enter inside road, you go know by seeing a discontinuous line for the center of this road. You don't write am down. How do you identify, say, a road na senso unico? Simple. You go see discontinuous line for the center of the carreggiata. Now, wetin be carreggiata? Carreggiata, my brother, follow me. Carreggiata na something like this. I dey come. Carreggiata na something like this. Now, watch. I want to give you two definitions of carreggiata. The first definition says, carreggiata, first of all, remember say road na everything. For example, here na everything within inside na inside road. Even from this bush to this bush, na be road. Wetin call me carreggiata? The first definition of carreggiata na wetin? From this borderline, from the borderline from this borderline to this borderline.
Mm.
And how you go take know the borderline? They will use continuous line for the borderline. See am here. From one borderline to another borderline, na im dey call carreggiata. Please write it down. From one borderline to the other borderline. And in the borderline, you will see continuous line there. You no go see this continuous line for the borderline. Now, first definition of carreggiata simply says, from one borderline to another borderline. Na im be carreggiata. You don't understand, my brother? If you get question, you ask me.
One
You
minute.
understand what I explain now?
Mm.
Hello?
I dey hear you.
Just dey follow me. Just answer me. You from one borderline to another borderline, na im dey call carreggiata. Is it clear now? Might go further. Now watch.
Mm.
This now the first definition of carejata. From now, what does it mean now? Tomorrow night, if you enter inside road, if you see from one borderline to another borderline, you don't know say you dey for inside carejata. And who can waiting if you enter inside carejata? Na vehicle. Now carejata means carriageway in English. Carriageway. Inside that particular carriageway, you go see vehicles they drive. That's where vehicles they normally drive. Is it clear? Now, if you will be pedestrian, go enter here, they walk out for here. Now you know what they find. Because inside this carriagata, from the borderline to the borderline, what is the borderline? From the extreme, from the margin of the road to the other margin of the road. And waiting differentiate them from the other place. Now this continuous line where they see here. Is it clear now, sir? You understand what I explain?
Mm.
I bet if you understand, you say you
But,
don't understand.
but this Karijata line now, say now the two line now straight way are being face me face me.
No, no, no. Just follow me. Wait, just follow me. What be your question? I don't understand your question.
My question now be say this Karijata line now, we be say from one borderline to the borderline. If car dey there now, vehicle dey there. So the vehicle now, all the two both side line now, say all the vehicle they go the same direction or
Wait,
they
we are
face each
coming
other.
there. We are coming there.
Okay,
You get reason
okay,
why I want now. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. And they come.
okay,
One first, before I explain senso unico to you now, I want to explain to the carejata because it will make sense.
okay,
Now, carejata now from the borderline to the borderline, and if this is the first definition of carejata. Second
okay,
definition of carejata, they come. Now this. Now inside a particular road, see, you get what you go see inside there. They call them spati traffico, and in our language they call them guardrail. Guardrail. She dey see am. Now this thing wey they see here. See, my brother.
okay,
Now
no
this
problem.
thing they divide Karejata into two. They divide
Okay,
because now you don't know to be Karejata. Karejata now
yes.
from the borderline to the borderline, yes. But this particular guy, in they divide the
So this one,
Karejata into two. Now,
okay,
second definition of Karejata now waiting. From the borderline, yeah. And the borderline and that place where they write continuous line. Where they draw
mm,
continuous line. From the continuous line, either to this part, now the first definition, or you say from the continuous line to this party traffico. This is not the second
okay,
definition of Karejata. So now, my brother, you don't understand the meaning of Karejata. Karejata are waiting from the borderline to the borderline or from the borderline to this party traffico. Is it clear now?
okay,
Now, that's
yeah,
the two definitions of Karejata. Now, let us now go. How you go take no say a Karejata now one-way movement? My brother, follow me. Just look at this thing. I go take no. Number one. Because when you dey drive, you will never see anybody will come outside and tell you, say, hey, you dey for sensor unico. No. As a driver, as a student, how do you know say dey for sensor unico? Number one, inside this particular carejata, if dem draw discontinuous line inside there, automatically, my brother, discontinuous line wey dey inside the carejata, na the thing wey go make you understand as a driver, as a student, say you dey for road wey be sensor unico. Now, what be sensor unico? Sensor unico simply means, for our language, it means one-way movement. It simply means, say, all the cars, they go the same direction. This is a typical example, watch. For here now, you see this continuous line inside. You see, my brother, follow me, follow my picture. You see this continuous line here.
um,
You see am. So this thing simply means, say, inside this carriagata, all the cars, they go one-way movement. They go the
that's
same.
fine. So you,
Is it clear now? So now you don't understand. Wetin go make you understand, say, a road na one-way movement. Now, whenever you as a student, as a driver, you look, you can't see, as you drive your wonderful car, you can't notice a discontinuous line there for the ground. It means, say, you there for sensor unico. That is, for inside here now, they get discontinuous line here, discontinuous line here. That means, say, see, inside here now, everything here now waiting, now one-way movement. All the cars, they go the same direction. Is it clear, sir?
okay. And
So,
this discontinuous line, now it be this white line where they put for this middle of
yes,
this
because
road.
it gets spacing. All this spacing here. Now why they call it discontinuous. You know they continuous. You dey see am. Now why they call it discontinuous. All right. For Italo, they call it linear discontinua. Now watch. I want to ask you one question here. In your opinion, this road na senso unico or na on that thing on a doppio senso? Look am very well.
It's on a sensor unique
Why?
because all the line, no, all the line, all the road just go the same direction.
But how you take those all the roads go the same direction? What I want to know. What thing go make you know?
Because what make me know now be say they're not divide them with that.
Nobody can
I'm
explain.
coming.
No, nobody can explain. How you go take no say road na senso unico, my brother? I explain am again. Now the discontinuous line wait there for the center, wait there for the carriagata.
Mm, okay,
Discontinuous
man.
line. Now that discontinuous line, now go make you know say you dey for sensor unico. For example, now here, this continuous line dey here. It means say inside this carreggiata, this place and this place, they go the same direction. If car dey here, car dey here, two of them they go the same direction. You dey see am now, my brother. Now this discontinuous line wey dey for the center of the carreggiata go make you as a student, as a driver, know say this road na carreggiata wey they call sensor unico. Is it clear now?
Okay, it's clear.
Is it clear? All right. Discontinuous line in the center of the carreggiata go make you know say a road na sensor unico. Is it clear, sir? Very, very simple. So what we don't do now? We don't use one, I don't break down this thing for you. They said una strada può essere a senso unico. That means inside the strada, you go see carreggiata inside there. You don't understand me now? And inside that carreggiata, you will see discontinuous line waiting inside there. If the discontinuous line if that line na discontinuous line, it means that carreggiata na waiting. Na senso unico. You dey follow me? You dey feel me, Abi? All right. Like this is a typical example. You know, say carreggiata get two definition. You dey see am now. You get two definition. Either you say from the continuous line, from the borderline to the borderline, or you say from the borderline to the spartitraffico. Spartitraffico no dey here. E dey for here. You dey see am now. E dey for here. So you go say from here to here, now one carreggiata. From here to here, now that carreggiata. You get question?
Okay, what do you call that middle line now?
The which middle line? Which one?
Which one dey for the between the two carreggiata?
Now they call am spartitraffico. Spartitraffico. SPARTI Sparti TRAFFICO. Spartitraffico.
I'm coming. Okay.
All right. Now they call this guy. They call him spartitraffico. They divide the carreggiata into two. This particular, in our language, they call him guardrail. Is it clear now? Now, my brother, let's go more deeper again, a little bit again. Now, watch. Now, you don't understand the meaning of carreggiata, B. I go soon ask you questions. So now, I don't give you two definitions of carreggiata. Always check the borderline. And I go take the borderline. Now, continuous line you go see there. For the inside of that carreggiata, you can't see discontinuous line inside them. Now, watch. Let me now teach you one more thing again. I want to tell you one more thing again, my brother. See, before I tell you one more thing again, I might show you one more thing again. Now, the controllers now say, una strada può essere anche doppio senso di circolazione. See, me, I teach you now from the same app where you supposed download. Now, the same app I teach you. So they can say, una strada può essere double sense of movement. I go take no road with double sense of movement. Follow me, my brother. I go take no road, say, road na double sense of movement. Now, watch. I want to ask you one question first. In your opinion, this picture here, now one way, sorry. I come. This picture where you see here, now one way movement or two-way movement? This one.
That's two-way movement.
Eh?
That's two-way movement.
No. What should I tell you about one?
This one where the people here now one-way movement.
One-way movement. Why now? Yeah. Okay, why now one-way movement? In your opinion?
Because you not get spartive traffic.
No, not be the answer. What thing go make you know say this in a sensor unico? What thing go make you know say? What thing I tell you say? As a driver now, I go take no say they for sensor unico. I just talk around.
Because it got discontinuous line.
Exactly. You see this continuous line here?
Yeah.
Is there Yabi?
It here for the middle.
Yes. This is not the answer. This is not the reason we make this road become sensor unico. Because this continuous line they there. Please don't forget this thing. Write them down. Just cram them. Now I say make you the record. My brother, you go ready where you go record. You go get everything where you need to do this in 2 months. Now, this continuous line there for the center of the carreggiata. Now, what make them become sensor unico? Don't forget. Don't be spartitraffico. This continuous line waiting for the center. Now, ain't go make you know say inside this particular carreggiata, 2 vehicles they drive here, but they go the same direction. Why? Because of the discontinuous line in the center. I want to show you on that thing again. Now, look at this guy. We don't touch this one. Let us now see. Now, doppio senso, get 3 example. Doppio senso, get 3 example. I go tell you 2 for now. Later, we'll see the other one. Now, for the center of this carreggiata, because you know say carreggiata are waiting from the borderline to the borderline. Now, for the center of that carreggiata, you can see continuous line for the center. Wetin e mean? E mean say doppio senso di circolazione. E mean say car go dey go here, car go dey come back here. You get question?
Okay. Okay. It just be like say face man and face you now.
Yeah. Remember, for this
Because
one
you
now,
see,
car go dey go here, car go dey come back
car
here.
go dey come. Okay.
Yes.
Just like the car, you feel they go, you feel they go down and you feel they come up.
Exactly.
They
Now
go,
they call doppio
okay.
senso di circolazione.
Okay,
They
like
call it
double line. Okay. Double
double
line.
line,
Okay.
double way of movement, double sense of movement. Is it clear now, sir?
What do you call the in Italy? So,
Doppio senso di circolazione. Doppio
yes, sir.
senso di circolazione. I can't get question for you.
And they come okay, sense. So, sense of what?
Doppio senso di circolazione. The other one ha senso unico di circolazione. This one ha doppio senso di circolazione. Now, I continue. For this doppio senso, I want to ask you a question. How you go take no say you dey for double sense of movement? Might see if you don't understand.
Because
I,
you got the sense of the scholar.
eh?
Which one? Which one? Which question they ask now?
I dey ask you, how you go take no say this road na double sense of movement? How you go take no as a driver? Say you dey for double sense of movement. Wetin go make you know?
Because it gets straight line.
For where? For where?
You
Tell
know,
us, go deeper. For where?
for the carriagata now.
But where the thing dey? Where in dey? Because me, I see straight line everywhere. Where in dey? Where the straight line dey?
You did for this one. You did for me do for here.
E dey for the, na the answer be that. E dey for the middle. Na the answer be that, my brother. If the straight line, therefore, if that continuous line, therefore the middle between the carriagata, that means say na double sense of movement. This na the answer. This na wetin
Okay.
go make you know say therefore doppio senso di circolazione. You don't understand that now.
So double
See this?
sensor movement. Okay.
Exactly. Now wetin you know wetin e mean. Now, we'll go deeper. This na the first example of doppio senso. We'll come see the second example of doppio senso. You don't ready for me?
Okay.
Second example. For the center of the carreggiata. Now, you don't know what to be carreggiata, be? Ma, I can't ask you a question. What to be carreggiata? Just tell us two definitions of carreggiata. Ma, see if you don't understand.
They come on. Carriagata means from one borderline to another borderline.
Okay. First definition. Second definition. From one borderline to the spartitraffico. Or you say from the spartitraffico to spartitraffico. Now, watch. For inside here now, you don't know, say, this is a carreggiata, be? Now, how you go? The second example of doppio senso. Inside the carreggiata, you go see one continuous line and a discontinuous line for the center.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Okay.
Did they follow me?
I follow you because
You go
I see
see
am.
a continuous line and a discontinuous line for the center. This is now the
Okay.
second example of doppio senso. Is it clear now, sir?
Okay.
Now, we go see this, we go see a practical example later on, not now. Not now. Because if I show you now, the thing will only cause confusion. We will see them later on. I want to show you the third example of doppio senso. How they come? Doppio senso. How they come? Oh. Now, this one a good example. What do you notice for here?
I see double sensor movement.
Exactly. But not say it's double, but
For
what do you
instance,
notice here? What do you notice here? What is the main thing
I,
we
I
notice?
I noticed practice traffic for the middle.
No, there's
You
no
get
spati traffic here. Spati traffic on a guardrail. No, no. What do you notice for here? Just look at very well. What do you notice?
I noticed two straight line there.
Two straight line for the center. Now, what you go talk?
Yeah.
Two straight line for the center. This is now the third
Ah,
example of doppio sensor. That
okay.
means now you don't understand. Say for this type of road, see this one get doppio, this one get two double line. This now doppio
Okay.
sensor. See, I say cargo they go, a cargo they come back here. My brother, that means you now don't understand. Say we get three type of doppio sensor. We get only one continuous line for the center. We get one continuous line and a discontinuous line for the center. And we get double continuous line for the center. Is it clear now, my brother?
Okay.
You get question?
Yes, I understand waiting for. I
So that means,
understand.
say, as a student,
Okay, then
yes.
this double straight line now. I need the explanation with. Okay.
Now small. I know I dey come. I will come to you. This double straight line means, say, first, remember, say, the first thing we need to know now, say, we dey for double sense of movement. Simple. Say, for this road, you no go fit dey go one-way movement. If you go one-way movement, car go jam you for this other side. Means say car go dey go here, car go dey come back here. That means when you carry your family for car, once you see double continuous line, please maintain your own lane. I will come to
Okay.
that side later. Just stay for your own lane. Because car go dey go here, car go dey come back here. They call them doppio senso de circolazione. Is it clear now, sir?
Okay.
All right. I don't tell you something really important. Move go further again. Move explain one more thing again. With the important. Now, you know, say I don't talk about carreggiata. Move can discuss wetin be lane, wetin be corsia. Watch. Wetin be corsia? Corsia mean lane for our language. You dey follow me now, my brother? Corsia mean lane. How you go take identify a lane inside carreggiata? Watch. I go teach you two examples. Watch. You go simply say, for here now, for example, now, wetin be the lane? Look, inside the carreggiata, you go just count how many line wey you dey see there. Inside all the carreggiata, count how many line wey you dey see there. Watch. For inside this carreggiata, wetin I dey count? I dey count 1, 2, 3. Me, I dey see 3 lane inside here. Inside this carreggiata. Mark come enter inside this carreggiata. How many lane I dey see here? How many line? I go count how many line dey. If I want check the if I want to tell you how many corsia dey inside this carreggiata, I go only count the line wey I see in there. Now, I'll come count here. 1, 2, 3. So I get 6 line inside here. You see am? 6 line dey inside here. My brother, you dey follow me?
Wait, man, I count the line. 1, 2,
Count
3,
am.
4, no, 5.
Eh?
Now 5. Okay, line or lane.
You say, no, watch. I want to teach you how you go take identify a lane. I go take
Okay.
know a lane. Now, we'll do the first method. A lane is simply, watch. Let's do this first method. This one, then more easier. From the border line to this other line, now one corsia. You dey see am now. From this other line to this other line, now second corsia. From this other line to this other line, now the third corsia. From this other line to this last one, now the fourth corsia. If you go enter for here, from this line to this line, now the fifth corsia. From this line to this line, now the sixth corsia. From this line to this line, now the seventh corsia. From this line to this line, now the eighth corsia. Is it clear, my brother?
I dey come 1 minute. 1 for that line. So, okay. All right.
Is it clear now?
I dey- mm,
You don't understand?
every concealment means from one borderline to another
From
borderline.
that line to another line, now you go take no corsia. From on that line to another line. Is it clear now? All right, I might show you simple one. How many corsia it is a day?
2 conceal.
2 corsia.
Yes.
Now, I want to tell you something else now. My brother, watch. If you want to understand carreggiata very well, please watch. If you want to understand carreggiata, remember as I tell you, say, the first definition of carreggiata na waiting. From the borderline to the borderline.
Okay.
I want to tell you one more thing. Any other line we then draw inside here, except, see my word, except Spartitraffico, it no follow inside. I dey come. Give me 2 seconds. I dey come. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Who is speaking? Good evening, man. Hello? No, yeah. Can I call you back in can I call you back in some, maybe, can I call you by 10 o'clock? All right, no bother. Thank you. Okay, sorry, my brother. So, they follow me?
Yeah, bro.
Watch. Wetin I go take no corsia. Sorry, what was I trying to explain, sef? Yeah, I don't say from this borderline to this borderline, na one corsia. Now, I want to tell you something very important. See, inside carreggiata, watch. This I want to tell you dey important. See, you know say carreggiata na wetin? Please, my brother, look at this picture. Look at this picture. Now, from the
I dey come.
borderline to the borderline. Inside this borderline and this borderline, they fit draw many lines inside. Shebi you know, Abi?
Yeah.
Shebi you know? See,
Mm-hmm.
you can only differentiate wetin dey separate carreggiata from another carreggiata na wetin? Na only spartitraffico. Wetin be spartitraffico? Na im dey call guardrail. Na im dey call guardrail. I wan show you a typical picture of guardrail so make you understand. See guardrail here, something like this. This iron na guardrail. In your quiz, wetin you go see na flower. You go see flower for the middle. You go see green something for the middle. Now this thing they divide, they separate a carreggiata from another carreggiata. I want to ask you one question here now. Watch. Watch, oh, follow me, my brother. See, you they see any spartitraffico inside here. Look am very well.
No, e not dey.
E no dey. That's a wonderful answer. E no dey. So you go dey very, very careful. So in your opinion now, how many carreggiata dey inside here?
One carreggiata.
Wonderful, sir. Nice one, my brother. You dey on. I like what you talk. Now, one carreggiata dey here. Might repeat again. You did very well. See, you go on. The only thing we fit divide carreggiata na spartitraffico. And I just show you the picture now. See, spartitraffico no dey here. So na only one carreggiata dey here.
But if you
Because
say dey na, it go be two.
it go be two, yes.
Carreggiata.
Exactly.
You not dey.
Now,
So na
exactly. Nice one.
Mhm.
You don't know, say, carreggiata na waiting again. Now from the borderline to the borderline, or from the borderline to the spartitraffico. Spartitraffico no dey here. So now only one carreggiata dey here. My brother, watch. Even if they draw two lines here, it simply means say it dey define the sense of movement of how car go take drive here. You dey see am? Mark, I'll ask you on that question. In your opinion, how many corsia dey here?
In my opinion,
Yes.
na two corsia dey there.
Two corsia. Look am very well. No be two corsia.
I dey come. 1 minute.
Check from one line to another line, from that line to another, all of them.
I dey come.
Okay, but I tell you, watch. I go take no corsia. My brother, watch. Look at my picture. From this borderline to this one, now one corsia. From this guy to this guy, now two
Na
corsia.
four
Exactly.
corsia dey there.
From this guy to this guy, now the third corsia. From this guy to this guy, now the fourth corsia.
Another borderline is
Another
okay.
example. Another example to understand corsia. See. Just count how many lines you see here. Me, I can see. I will tell you, I can see 1, 2. Even if this is not 2, not 3, not just 1. 3,
Okay.
4, 5. Minus and with 1. Now 4 corsia. This is now on that trick. Might repeat again. You go count how many lines where they see inside that particular carreggiata. Minus and with 1. This is the trick. On that trick, that the second trick of understanding how many corsia they here. But the first method, 9 day better because you go just simply say from this one to this one, the first corsia. This guy is the second corsia, third corsia, fourth corsia. Simple. Is it clear?
Mhm.
I get another question for you. My brother, watch. From this line to this line, waiting did they drive? Did they drive senso unico or doppio senso, in your opinion? From this line to this line, to where this double line
But
is. Did they drive senso unico or doppio senso, in your opinion?
the drive sense wey unique.
Why?
Why? Because the line I'm coming. Because all the line, no, because all the line they go the same direction.
No be the answer. Why? No be the reason.
Repeat the question. Repeat the
No,
question
you
again.
are
Sir.
almost there. My question now, why I go take no as a driver, say therefore this you talk say this road na senso unico abi. My question, how you go take notes na senso unico? From this line to this line, how you go take notes na senso unico? Wetin go make you know? I just tell you the answer also before.
Because now doppio senso movement.
No. I dey come. Shebi you tell me say this con share. You tell me say this is a senso unico, abi?
Yes.
Which line be this? This line here. Now discontinuous or continuous? No. My brother, look. See, no. Leave that thing. Look at the picture they show you.
Now,
Just look at the
now
picture they show you. This line right there, now discontinuous line or continuous line.
discontinuous line and discontinuous line.
That means, what did it mean? Now senso unico or doppio senso.
Now senso unico.
My brother, don't forget this thing. Write and down. Say discontinuous line means senso unico. If you write this in down once and for you, no will forget them. Or that's why I say maybe the record. Discontinuous line simply means in the center. Discontinuous line here now means say, see, watch, look at my picture. It means say this yellow car and this blue car, they go the same direction. You see now. My brother, I want to show you something. I beg. Follow me. I want to show you something. This yellow car and this blue car, they go the same direction because of this discontinuous line for the center. Now watch. You can notice say if the car enter into this place, everything don't change. They see I'm now. If you enter this place, everything don't change. You know why it change? Hello?
No.
Because of this double line with the here. This double line means doppio senso. It is am. Now why I tell you say it they define the sense of movement. It they tell you say no. For this other lane now, they go opposite direction. Them too they go senso unico here. Yes, but they go opposite direction from this guy. Why? Because of this double continuous line. You understand what I explain?
Okay. Senso unico means all the cars are going the same direction.
But my question, the most important thing, how you go take know say all the cars are going in the same direction? What go make you know say, my repeat the question again. What go make you know say they for senso unico?
What go make me know say I dey for senso
Watch,
unico?
look at this picture. What go make you know say they for senso unico for you?
Because the cars is going the same direction.
No, you never no be the answer. How you go take know say the car is going in the same direction?
Because I dey senso unico.
No, never answer. I just tell you this many times. I don't tell you this answer many times. How you go take no? How you go take no as a driver? Say you dey for senso unico. Because you no go see any woman people come and go tell you say you dey for senso unico. If you see this continuous line for the center, as you dey for the center of the carreggiata, what do it mean? What did I tell you say that line they represent? Now my brother watch. Might repeat again. Senso unico means discontinuous line. I better write and down. If you see discontinuous line for the center of the carreggiata, it means senso unico. I don't explain to you many times. Discontinuous line for the center of the carreggiata. Look my picture. Discontinuous line for the center of the carriage. This discontinuous. Now, what's go make you as a driver no say you dey for senso unico? Not because of say everybody they go the same direction. Now, the discontinuous line wey dey for the center of the carreggiata go make you as a driver no say you dey for senso unico.
Okay.
I get another question again now. How you go take no say you dey for doppio senso? Give me the 3 examples. Hello?
Because of the discontinuous line.
No. Discontinuous line na for senso unico, my brother. My question now, how you go take no say you dey for doppio senso? Give me the 3 examples. Because me, I tell you, say we get 3 examples of doppio senso. All right. For Monday, you go the record. So that later you go study them. Because as I teach that you want to write and down, you know go to pay attention for it. So you go the record. So later you go study them on your own later on. Me I the record for you. But next time you go the record on your own. Now watch. Follow me, brother. Watch. Might repeat again. So see how the session of the class now 30 minutes. We'll go small break of 8 minutes. Then we'll come back. We'll continue again. You understand?
Okay.
We'll go small break. Then when we come back from the break, we'll continue again. Because if this session
this question again, can you just tell me before we go for the
might tell you. Please, my brother, follow me now. Open up your mind. Just free your mind. Might repeat again. How you go take no senso unico as a driver? My brother, check. Discontinuous line. What if it discontinuous line? Spacing there for the center. Now spacing there for the center. My brother, look this picture. Leave the TV look. Just look this picture. Look your camera. See what they show you for the center. Look at me here. Look at me. Go see. You understand them. Discontinuous line for the center of the carreggiata. Now it means say you dey for senso unico. Is it clear now, my brother?
Okay. And it's clear, it's clear.
Discontinuous line equals to senso unico. Write am down for your language. Discontinuous line equals to senso unico. Now, how you go take know say e dey for doppio senso? For the center here, you no go see discontinuous line anymore. You no go see am anymore. Wetin you go see there? You go see continuous line. You go see double continuous line, wey I just show you before. You go see continuous line and discontinuous line. Is it clear now?
Okay.
These are the three examples of doppio senso. If you come out for break, I go ask you again. I want make you dey check the videos, the picture what they send you, what they show you. They only look your this thing. Look, because if you look at me, you go see what I show you. I don't teach you three examples of doppio senso. You go see continuous line for the center of the carreggiata, for the center also. You go see double continuous line for the center of the carreggiata. You no go see discontinuous line if na doppio senso. You no go see discontinuous line. The third example na wetin? You go see continuous line with discontinuous line. All these three examples na examples of